On an online training a couple of days ago, a participant asked me a question: what is the ideal gong thread length? An interesting question indeed that is almost never addressed. Now, if I have the current setup as you see here, the thread of the gong is definitely too long. This will result in a very floating style or pendulum style gong, where the gong will be moving too much and there will be very little definition in expression, because basically the gong will be wobbling on the stand, and you don't want to have this scenario. Then you have the second extreme, when the gong is literally too tight and it's kind of restrained. In this case, the gong, opposite to before, it's prevented of almost any kind of movement, because you see it's very stiff, and this will result in a very short and damped vibration, and you will have to put way much effort in playing it. So common sense tells you that way in between would be the ideal position.